Hello Odooers and welcome to this video on gift cards and promotional programs. For our online shop, we want to start a new loyalty program to reward our loyal customers. This means that they'll receive points for each purchase, which they can later redeem for rewards. This will entice them to come back and improve our customer retention. Along with that, we'd like to launch gift cards and eWallet programs so customers can offer gift cards to someone and check their eWallet amount on their own customer portal. Ready? Then let's dive in. Okay, first let's go to Configuration and Settings. And we'll scroll down a little bit and we will activate the Discount, Loyalty and Gift Cards option. I will just click Save. Now, there are two ways that you can access your loyalty programs. You can either go to the eCommerce menu and then go to the Loyalty section at the bottom, or you can click the link right under the feature in the settings, which is what we will do. So here we can create a loyalty program from scratch or just use one of the templates below. We can, for example, create a promotional program, a loyalty card, next order coupon, a coupon. Just don't hesitate to click on them and see what they do. For example, let's choose a buy X, get Y, which is, for example, if the customer buys 2 products, he can get a third one for free. So if you click on it, you will see that the program is already pre-configured with the appropriate rules. We'll take a deeper look at them in a minute, but I just want to show you this. If you go back to the Discounts and Loyalty menu, you'll see that the templates have sadly disappeared. But don't worry, because when you click on New, then you can just go to this program type field here and you can find all of them in this list. As you can see, when I switch program types, the rules below, well, they just change and they adapt accordingly. Let's create a loyalty card. And we'll take a closer look at the options. So over here we can set validity dates. We'll set the start date to today, and in our case we don't want this program to expire, so we'll leave the end date blank. We can also limit the usage so that the customer can use this loyalty program only a certain number of times, and we can define that number. But I will uncheck this box for our purposes. We can also decide if it's applicable only to specific currencies or price lists, and if it's available for sales, for it to appear when you create a sales order, and on your website, which makes it available in the e-commerce. Note that if you have installed the point of sale app, you will also be able to select it here. And here we can give the points a specific name. By default, they are called loyalty points, but we will personalize them and call them glazed points. There you go. Below we have the Rules and Rewards tab, which contains the conditions that need to be met and what kind of reward is given. We can, as always, create new ones, or we can just adapt the existing one by clicking on it. Here I can set the minimum amount of items that need to be bought. I would say that it just needs to be 1. The minimum purchase amount, for that we will say it is 20, will be generous. And how many points that the customer can get. Instead of 1, we'll say that he gets a whopping 50 glazed points. And here we can say if it's per order, per euro spent, or per unit paid. We'll leave it as per euro spent. We'll save and close, and we'll take a look at the rewards. Now here we can, let's say that we add one. And here you can choose if the customer gets a free product, a discount, or a free shipping as a reward. If it is a product, then we can set the quantity the customer will receive, and you can specify the exact product that they will receive. If it is a discount, then we can set a percentage on the order, and we can say if it's a percentage, on the order, on the cheapest product, or on specific products. And we can set a maximum discount amount, and we can do the same thing for the free shipping over here. We will take the discount and we will lower it to 5% on the complete order. Below, we can choose how many loyalty points it'll cost the client to get the reward, and we can also customize the text that will appear on the order when they get the reward. For example, enjoy your discount. Okay, so we'll save this and we will give a name to our program. We will name it Glazed Loyalty. There you go, and we'll save it, and just like that, our loyalty card is created. Now let's check out our gift cards and e-wallets by going to eCommerce and then gift cards and e-wallets. We'll start with the gift cards. So here we already created a gift card program. Let's check it out. So this needs to be related to a product, as you can see here, because it's something that is sold in our e-commerce. So we have simply created a product and we called it gift card, and we've published it so it's available on our website. Here you can define the email that your customers will get when they purchase the gift card. And just like the loyalty points, you can choose where it's available. Now, if I click on Generate, I can choose whether it's for anonymous customers, which means that anyone with a gift card code can redeem it, or if it's only for selected customers, in which case we'll have to define the customer it's for. We can choose how many of these gift cards we want to generate, which actually means how many do you want to be available for sale. I will set 100. And of course, we need to define the value of this gift card. I'll set it as 20 euros. I'll leave the validity date blank because I don't want these cards to expire. And we can write a little description as always, which can be enjoy your gift card. And now when I click on generate gift card, I can see on this smart button over here that there are 100 available for sale. If we click on the smart button, then we see the list of all of our gift cards, as well as the codes over here that they are linked to. I can send each one to a specific email address, and I just have to add the recipients here, and this is the email they will receive. Or I can create a link and then just share it with anyone. We just copy paste it and the person will be able to use the gift card. Okay, now let's talk about e-wallets. We'll go back to our gift cards and e-wallets menu and we will click on New. This one we will call eWallet. And the type, it won't be gift card, it will be a e-wallet. Now, exactly as the gift card, the e-wallet needs to be linked to a product. We can also link it to an email template, and as always, we can make it available anywhere we want. Now, the difference between the gift card and the e-wallet is that if the customer buys an e-wallet, he's actually topping it up with virtual money. While if he buys a gift card, he is giving that money to someone else. Okay, last thing I want to talk about is the comparison price feature. Let's say that you want to offer a sale and you're permanently lowering the price of an item. To do this, we will go to Configuration and Settings, and then we will scroll down to this comparison price option. We'll enable it and then just click Save. Now that that's done, let's go to e-commerce and to products, and we will choose the products we want to put a sale on, the pineapple mug, for example. So over here, we are going to put in the sales price the new sales price. In our case, I'm going to take 14.46. It's a bit of a weird number, but that way, included with taxes, it is a round number. And then in compared to price, we have to put the previous price. So in this case, we will put 25. Be sure to put the price with the tax included. The compare to price field must contain a price that is higher than the sales price for the original price to appear with a strike-through. If it's lower, then the comparison won't appear on the product. Note that the comparison price will not be displayed if discounted price lists apply to this product. For more information about using the comparison feature with the price list, check out our online documentation. Okay, let's see what all of that looks like on our website. So first, we'll check our loyalty points balance. To do this, you can click the profile icon over here and then click My Account. And here I see them on the right. I have a lot, I'd better use them. I also see that I have the eWallet because I topped my eWallet up early on. So I have 24 euros that I can use and 1,000 glazed points. Let's go to the shop page so we can use this. But before we do, we'll scroll down and I'll show you the two new products we have, Top Up eWallet and Gift Card. This means that your customers can now top up their own eWallet or they can use gift cards and give them to friends and family. If we select the product that we just configured, so the pineapple mug, then we see the comparison option where the previous and higher price is struck through. If we add this to the cart, and then we go to the checkout, let's say I am going to take 6 mugs because just 1 mug is not useful. Here we see that we have the right to the free shipping and to a discount thanks to the loyalty points we accumulated with our earlier purchases. We will claim both of them and they will add themselves over here. We see that the discount has been applied. And we see that we can also pay using our eWallet, which we topped up before. Let's use it. There you go. So we see that the amount went down. Continue the checkout. And now we also see that we can use a discount code, which is the code that was linked to the gift card. I will paste it over here, apply it, and we see that everything has been applied correctly. And all we have to do is select our payment method and then just place the order. And there you go. That's it for this video. And as always, be sure to check out our online documentation for more information on this topic. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.